This is Chittorgarh, and in this video, me, Sneha and Lola would be exploring the Chittorgarh Fort, which is a historic fort city from ancient India. Our journey started with a 2-hour car ride from Udaipur to Chittorgarh, and then we started climbing the walls of Chittorgarh and going through its various ancient gateways until we finally reached the top of the plateau. Welcome to the Chittorgarh vlog. Today we are going to be exploring the entire Chittorgarh fort, and I have Lola and Sneha with me and our driver too, and we've got a tour guide as well who's explaining to them about these temples. Look at these magnificent temples, they look so amazing. So let's start exploring the Chittorgarh fort. Look at this. This looks like कि किसी पुराना जो टेम्पल था उसका कोई ब्रोकन पीस था, उसको वॉल की मेजनरी में वापस से रीयूज़ किया गया है. लुक्स अमेजिंग. एंड मैं एक बार पहले भी चित्तौड़गढ़ आया हुआ. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द सेकेंड टाइम आई एम विजिटिंग, एंड इट स्टिल लुक्स एज फैसिनेटिंग, एज अमेजिंग एज द टाइम बिफोर. काफ़ी कूल है, काफ़ी बड़े बड़े टेम्पल्स, एंड दीज आर बिल्ट विद ancient stones. It looks really amazing. Like, this is the type of architecture that I really love. A lot of temples are built this way. Then when you enter a temple, there's a main shrine where the god is there, and then you can take the path around the temple. You can take the path around the main shrine like this. Look at all the sculptures all around. How amazing, how intricate every single sculpture is, and there are so many sculptures in every temple, in every monument that we are going to explore today at Chittorgarh Fort. It looks just surreal and magical. तो अभी हमने सबसे पहले ये दो टेम्पल्स देखे, विच इज़ सो अमेजिंग. एंड अब हम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे जा रहे हैं. दैट्स द थिंग अबाउट चित्तौड़गढ़ फोर्ट. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं, एंड देयर आर क्लस्टर ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स, लाइक मॉन्यूमेंट्स के ग्रुप्स है, विच वी आर गोइंग टू बी एक्सप्लोरिंग वन आफ्टर द अदर. लुक्स सो कूल ना. So this is the next monument that we are all exploring. It's Vijay Stambha, which was built to commemorate the victory over the Sultan of Malwa, and it's huge. It's huge and intricate, and it looks so amazing. Just look at it. And that's Sneha and Lola admiring the beauty and magnificence of the Vijay Stambha. Look at the fort walls, which are going all along the massive hill. It's quite cool. क्योंकि ये temples और ये fort बहुत ही पुराना fort है, and it has seen a lot of battles. It has seen a lot of attacks over the years, and it's also very old. That's why a lot of stuff is battered, but it still looks so amazing. यहाँ पे काफ़ी कूल वाइब है. सब लोग इस पॉन्ड में जंप कर रहे हैं, एंड इट्स क्वाइट अमेजिंग. पीपल आर हैविंग फन, एंड क्योंकि शायद आज संडे है इसलिए आज इतनी भीड़ भी है. काफ़ी सारे लोग आए हैं. आई थिंक उदयपुर से भी काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ तक आए होंगे, ऐसा हो सकता है. इट्स क्वाइट कूल. ओके, सो वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग अनदर टेम्पल, एंड आई एम अ लिटिल टायर्ड एंड अ लॉट अनवेल. सो दिस इज Samaveswara temple. Looks amazing. Like everything else, people are going down to the pond, and I am too damn unwell right now, but I think I can go down. And ये हम वही pond जो हम ऊपर से देख रहे थे उसके नीचे आ गए. It's quite amazing, and it's a water tank, some place where water has been stored, and a lot of people are swimming over here.
People ask you where you're from.
Yeah, and they were surprised when I and now we're climbing back up. Yeah, I see a bird. That's a bird eating frog, and it flew away. यहाँ पे broken pieces of ruins पड़े हुए हैं. Okay, ancient broken pieces of temples. And now we're on our way back to where we came from and exiting this small cluster of monuments and temples around the Vijay Stambha. But look at how magnificent it looks. Two Indians. ठीक है, अब हम Padmini Mahal में आ चुके हैं, which was the palace where the Queen Padmavati lived. It's quite amazing. I'll show you guys. This is Neha and Lola exploring the Padmini Palace. Lola recording the monkeys, being fascinated by them. They're communicating.
They speaking?
Yeah.
That's cool. There's people eating there.
There were a lot of monuments that were closed or too crowded, and we were not able to visit them. But you can check out the book we've published on Chittorgarh Fort. It has a huge number of photos, descriptions, etc. of the other monuments as well. It's a photo journal created by a bunch of architects, photographers, heritage enthusiasts, etc. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. And this is us on the other side of the hill of Chittorgarh Fort, and from here we can see the entire view of the villages and the other hills of Chittor. This looks like another way of entrance from the other side of the fortress. I'm not going all the way down because right now everyone is a little tired, but this really looks amazing. So this is the other way, जहाँ से ये जो सारे गांव वगैरह है, खेत वगैरह है, इनके लोगों को अगर ऊपर तक आना है चित्तौड़गढ़ तक, so they can come from this other way. This is on the other side of the Chittorgarh Fort and the Chittorgarh Hill, and you can see there are lots of hills. Chittorgarh is like the first hill that comes, and उसके बाद और भी बहुत सारे पहाड़ हैं of the Aravalli mountain ranges. And then we were done with our explorations. We were hungry, we needed some food, and we found a restaurant. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
This is the video?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, because you can't take photos.
Yeah.
So you like, and then you screenshot.
Yeah. Take that in the back.
Stay up.